Hi Susie gang, what's up, wagwan, what's popping, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, guys. So if it's your first time stopping by, hello, my name is Susan Annie and I'm a food and lifestyle blogger currently based in Ibadan, Nigeria. Oh, first of all, before we head into this video, I want to tell you guys that you should please always try to use your nose marks. It is very important. Use your nose marks. So you obviously click on this video because you want to get rid of your financial problem. But first, before we head into that, what is a side hustle? In case you don't know what a side hustle means, a side hustle means a side business, something you do apart from your 9-to-5 job. There are many ways to make money in this country, or should I say in Africa, with little or no capital investment. In as much as you have your internet connection, there are lists of legit ways, mark that word, legit ways to make money, get rid of your financial problem, monetize your skills, and be independent. So I'll be listing out a few ones that I was able to gather and the ones that I do personally. So if you're a full-time employer, if you're a stay-at-home parent, if you're a student, anything at all that you are, this is the right video for you to start up your side hustle. This is 2021 and January is almost over. I mean, what are you waiting for? So the first one is to be an influencer. Okay, to be an influencer is actually not as easy as it sounds. The best thing you could do to yourself is, if you love making just short clips, if you love making videos, if you love taking pictures, monetize that skill right now and be an influencer. You can be an influencer on Twitter, you can be an influencer on Pinterest, you can be an influencer on Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media that you choose to be. Go and Google it and how to become an influencer. Make this money. The second one is to sell your design, to sell your presets on different website. The third one would be to sell your stuffs, things that you know you don't wear, be it your shoe, be it your outfit, be it a wig that you don't wear anymore. You could sell them online. You can sell on Jumia, Konga, any e-commerce website that you find online. You can easily just sell them. Don't just keep those things inside. Make money with those stuffs that you don't wear anymore. So you have yourself a car, but you don't know what to do with this car, or you have two cars. Just go and register to be an Uber driver or a Bolt driver. Rent out your apartment or rent out a room. You have like 3-bedroom flats and you don't use one of those rooms. Why is it just there when you can just easily make money from it? Just rent it out to someone that is using it for a short term or maybe a long term, or probably you're not going to stay in the house for a long time. You can just rent it out and be sure to write an agreement with whoever you are giving out your house to. And you can do all that on Airbnb or just register as an agent on any of these housing websites that you find online. You can manage social media for small brands, big brands, if you are good at social media, or if your Instagram feed has this very massive beautiful preset, or you have a kind of theme that you use for your Instagram. Why not just monetize the skill and manage for brands? Or you can just start up a YouTube channel. I mean, this is what I'm doing right now. Start up a YouTube channel, start up a blog. The more traffic you get, the more money you make. Editing and professional services. If you are a photographer, if you are a videographer, if you are a cinematographer, and you know so much about editing pictures, you know so much about editing videos, or you can just anything that has to do with edit, okay? Don't waste this skill. Don't just sit back in your house doing these things on your phone. A lot of people are out there looking for people that can actually edit their pictures for them. I know it might sound very like, why should I pay someone to edit my pictures? Yes, people do it. People pay me to edit their pictures for them. Not like people, because I'm starting to sound like a blogger, but no. Not like people. I have like just few people that pay me to edit their pictures because I have my own presets, even though they are not out there for sale right now, but I have my presets and people pay me to edit their pictures. So yes, you can do that. Freelance writing and copywriting, graphic design, website designing, and all that jazz. Baby boy, baby girl, what are you doing? You can make 3K for a flyer, you can make 10K, you can make more than that for a logo, to create a logo for a brand. Imagine if you have 4 clients in a day that want you to create a logo for them. I mean, that's over 40K, something that some people get in a month for their salary. Why not just make this money while sitting in your house. You can be a fashion designer, a fashion stylist. If you are good at sewing, you can just do this. Monetize your skill, sew this clothes, post it online, look for a model, or you model by yourself. I mean, nobody can promote you better than you promote yourself, and that's on period. Catering and event planning, you might think it is that difficult, but the best advice I can give to you is to start small. I have a friend, she started really small and now she's going places. So you can start small, probably start from a place like just bake a little cake or bake snacks and take it to schools, you know, all that good stuff. And before you know it, you start getting that connection, and before you know it, that's it. Become an online tutor. I mean, there's a lot of them right now. People teach for everything. Pay this amount to become a professional this, pay this amount of money to become a professional this. Mind you, people are going to pay to learn. Teach others what you know. Don't keep it to yourself. Teach them what you know. If you know about editing, teach them how to edit. If you know about driving, teach people how to drive. I mean, I don't know how to drive. If you know about taking pictures, teach people how to take pictures. Create a group on WhatsApp, create a group on, I mean, there are so many tutors right now. Just do it. Don't feel like, yeah, everybody is doing it, I can't do it. No! Your customer is going to come for you. Your client is going to come for you. You can be a model. I am not a model, and it is very difficult. I'm going to post a video for you guys later, maybe before this video. But being a model, it is not easy. But if you have the shape, if you have the personality, I mean, why not? You are good at doing makeup on your face, but you don't want to take it professionally. Like, what are you doing with your time? Look at my face. I cannot even draw my brows. I can't do anything. I need to pay someone to do my makeup. I mean, look at me. I don't know how to do makeup, and it is crazy because the more I try, the more it gets worse. So be a makeup artist. There are so many people that want to do photo shoots and all that. They need a makeup artist. You can collab with a photographer, you can collab with a videographer. Do this thing. Stop wasting all your makeup kits inside your apartment. Do it. Handmade products. You can just teach people how to make beads bag. That is what I do actually. You can teach people how to, you know, create crafts, like create things with anything you see around. Like with a tissue you can make a flower, with something you can make this. You know, there are so many handmade things you can do, and you have that gift. You are gifted, you have that talent, but you are wasting it. What are you doing with your time? Monetize the skill, create a thing, post it on social media. If one person contacts you today, that's an achievement. Before you know it, the next day it's 2, the next day it's 3. Before you know it, you start getting 100. And the last but not the least is mini importation, which is what I do. I mean, hey. Anyways, I'm just gonna use this medium to promote myself. I mean, I need to plug myself, okay? I have this brand. I've been doing mini importation for a while, but I stopped last year due to some uncertainties, and I'm back to doing that. So if you want to import things from China, from Turkey, from US, please contact me. I'm going to drop my email in the description box and on the screen right now. You can contact me through my DM on Instagram. You can send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to drop all the details in the description box. Importing is also one sweet thing because you make your money from that through being an agent, or there's just a lot of ways you can make money through importation. So if you want to know more about this particular hustle, okay, kindly contact me on WhatsApp or DM me on Instagram. I am definitely going to reply you. I mean, I am not a celebrity. Why wouldn't I reply you? I need to make this money too, okay? So yeah, that's it. So with all these things I've listed, which of these would you love to go into? Which of these have you started already? Which of these do you want to add to your hustle? If you've started already, if you are doing 1 or 2 of these before, kindly drop in the comment section so that people can learn from you. Kindly let them know what you do, what you specialize in, or you know, all that good stuff, so that people can actually contact you and we connect. I mean, we rise by lifting others. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. These are the things that I could come up with. If you have more that you know that people can actually do, please drop it in the comment section. I would really appreciate it, and I'm sure a lot of people will appreciate it too. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to love what you do what you love, be yourself, love yourself, and believe in yourself. My name remains Susan Annie, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.